Drive. The window.
I know.
Kurt.
They better hurry.
Seriously, I'm gonna freak out. Just kidding.
Sitting in front of Subway is so cool.
It is cool. Shut your mouth. I did, because I don't live here. Not a good story. So I can say whatever I want.
Ooh. That's so attractive.
That's a good one.
Yum. Is that done?
Maybe.
Probably is. He said he was on his way. Is it?
Nope.
Dang it. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
Dude. Are you still taking a video?
Yeah, you guys are burping so much.
I'm not even burping.
It's all me.
I was just going.
Stop it. You bring this on Facebook?
Oh yeah.
Why?
Because you were burping.
That's Facebook worthy? Okay.
Oh, ew.